Welcome to Pouse around the house. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a concealed hinge like this on a kitchen unit or bedroom cupboard door to enable you to get your doors level, plumb and flush with perfectly equal spacings between each door. So the three main adjustments we can make to this hinge. One is up and down, two is forwards and backwards, and three is left or right. And to do those, we're going to need a Phillips or a posi drive screwdriver like this. So first of all, to move the hinge up and down, we need to undo these two screws here. And you just do that by rotating the screw anti-clockwise like that. And then you need to do that to all other hinges on the door. So then we can just move that hinge up and down until we get the desired position, and then tighten your screws back up, rotating clockwise. So the next thing we can do is adjust this screw here to move the door forwards and backwards. So to do this, we just rotate the screwdriver clockwise, and that will pull the door inwards that way. And if we go anti-clockwise, you'll see that the hinge now moves outwards, bringing the door this way. Again, you need to make this adjustment to all hinges on the door until you get to your desired position. And then finally we can adjust this screw, which moves the door either left or right. So by rotating anti-clockwise like that, we move the door that way to the left, or by rotating clockwise like this, we move the door to the right in this direction. So we can see now from our example that if here we had a gap that was too large and we wanted to close that up, we could move this door upwards. If we have one door sticking proud of the door next to it, we can move them inwards and outwards to get them flush. And if we had a gap on one side of the door bigger than a gap on the other side of the door, we can move the door across to close the gap up and equal them out. So you can see now by making some simple adjustments to your hinges, you can have perfectly level, plumb and flush doors with lovely equal spaces. So if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like. If you haven't done so already, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell symbol for regular notifications of my video uploads. And for more DIY, how-to, household tips and product review, please watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.